Hey, we are here to review the HP Chromebook X360. Sorry if I slur or anything, I have braces. Like and subscribe, and let's take a look at it outside. Here we have it outside, and you can't really see much. And we are in the shade, not directly in the sun. But if you are directly in the sun, you can't really see. So here it is. Let's go watch a video, see how it runs. There it is. As you can tell, it's a little hard to see. But that is in outside. So yeah. Here we'll check the volume.
It's always been pretty.
Which is pretty nice.
If we are what we eat, what?
Because it's dual speakers, one on the right, one on the left. So yeah. Let's go back inside and look at the rest. Okay, let's see. You can change the wallpapers by setting wallpapers, right clicking on it or using the mousepad. Hold. I think. Let's see. Yeah, maybe just because the mouse is plugged in. Let's see. It's double for right click. So yeah, let's plug it back, mouse, and change the wallpaper. Refresh. There's a few. Just go through it. Yeah, okay, so let's see. It does not have a SIM card on this one, so, or SD card. So buy a USB adapter if you need, and then you could also buy a USB-C. If you plug into the C, you could use the HDMI and you could extend it to another monitor. So yeah, get a mouse if you can. Links in descriptions below. Let's see. Here's it running Netflix. So yeah, there it is on that one. Let's exit out of this. Here's the specs. Dual core, temperatures, memory, discharge, and all our stuff right there. Let's see. Here's the CPU benchmarks I already ran. 400, 800, quad dual core. And there's the other settings. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Pros and cons with this. There's two USB-C, so you can just plug it in with your phone charger, but it depends on your phone charger if it's powerful enough to actually charge it. But yeah, I've been using my phone charger. So yeah, let's see. It's pretty light, so if you need a light laptop, it's pretty good. It's budget friendly. I got around 200 regarding the Black Friday sale at Walmart, but you can find it at a lower price or used. It's good. Screen's pretty good because it is 14-inch, and so you could see, type, and do a few things. Let's see. Let's go to Google. There's like screen resolution, a lot better than 11-inch in my terms. Because I can't really like see much on an 11-inch, but it's a wider screen, which is a lot better in my term. Touchscreen's pretty well, works pretty well. So let's go back. there it is. The case is pretty good. It's like metal or aluminum. Let's see. Nice part is the games, few games work on it, but not all the games. Let's see. I got Pokemon Unite running on it. I got Asphalt running on it. And I got Ragnarok, the new game that just came out. You can't really play much of the new shooters. So yeah, that's one of the problems. Let's see. Nice loudspeakers, I said before, outside. Those are good. Let's see. Cons, the screen doesn't work outside. It's really hard to see outside if you are in the sun. No SD card. If you really need an SD card, just get an adapter. So let's see. Can't play Call of Duty, the new one. Can't get it. I can't. It's not even in the download. In the downloads, so you can't even search it. Let's see. Yeah, I can't get COD mobile. Yeah. This doesn't even run on it. I don't even know how to get it to run. This is, it's like, yeah, so let's see. There is a lot of fingerprint. This thing is a fingerprint magnet like, see that right there? It's like a cell phone. Fingerprint magnet. Tips. If you want to type in caps lock, you have to hit Alt search button, and then you could tap caps lock in caps lock, and I'll tell you right there too. There's no caps lock button on the keyboard. The keyboard's pretty good. Cool part there is backward, forward, refresh. You could magnify the screen, pick a different screen, sound, brightness, and lock. Let's see. So yeah, get a mouse if you need to game with, and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and that's it. Is this worth it? Yeah, for under 200 if you get it for under 200. If not, it's fine. It's fine to use one. This laptop came out around a year ago, so Google Chrome should support it for a while too. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys.